Alright, I'm going to show you how I make my texture paste. We're outside, so we're going to hear my dogs and the neighbors, but it's so pretty out today. Anyways, I took a 1/4 cup of just regular baby powder I got at Walmart, very inexpensive. I actually got this cup at the dollar store. I don't know if they still have them there though. So I take a 1/4 cup of baby powder, a tablespoon of regular white glue, any white glue, doesn't have to be Elmer's, just what I had. And then I use white acrylic gesso. You can use white paint. You could use any color paint to make it any color you want it to be. It is so pretty out today. I need more gesso, right? And you stir it up. And you can add water to it to make it the consistency that you want. Which looks like I'm going to be using some water. I think we'll get some water. I'll be right back. I'll just add a little bit of water at a time so you can see if it's doing what you want. Oh, wow. That's probably about perfect right there. And I've been storing my texture paste in another thing I got at the dollar store, and it seems to be, it's still pretty decent in there. So I made that a while ago. Alright, so there it is. Now I'm going to shut this off, and I'm going to come right back because I'm going to show you what I'm going to use this for. It's going to be amazing. I'll see you in a few.